In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from your Coinbase account to Coinbase Wallet, a great way to take more control of your digital assets. Open the Coinbase app, tap your wallet, and select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Click Send, then choose External Wallet, or scan the QR code from your Coinbase Wallet app. Now open the Coinbase Wallet app, tap Receive, and copy the wallet address or share it via QR code. Back in the Coinbase app, paste the address and enter the amount you want to transfer. Confirm the network, like Ethereum or Polygon, to match what your coin uses. Double-check everything. Sending to the wrong network can result in lost funds. Once confirmed, the transfer will begin and usually arrives within minutes. This is a safe way to move your crypto into a self-custody wallet for better security or further use in DeFi apps. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more crypto tips and wallet guides. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see how to do this with specific coins like ETH or USDC.